carom seed, ginger, shallot, rice soup casserole, one of the tastiest of the rice soup recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger recipes and one of the most different of the steamed rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carom seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes. We're going to make carom seed ginger rice soup. We have taken around 100 grams of rice, brown rice. We have taken around 20 to 25 shallots cut into pieces, around 30 grams of ginger, 1.5 spoons of carom seed or ajwain, and salt to taste. And pour in lemon oil. Put in the ginger, salt, and lemon. Put in the shallots. Mix. Put on the saute. Salt and saute. Put in the Carrom Seeds. Salt. Salt until the smell comes out of the Carrom Seeds. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in half a spoon of turmeric powder. And half a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix. Put in the rice. around 250 ml of water. And let this mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Cooking for the required time. Put in some curry leaves. Mix and let it cook for 1 minute. Carrom seed, ginger, shallot, rice soup casserole is ready and can be taken off the hood and served. Carrom seed, ginger, shallot, rice soup casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the rice soup recipes and one of the most unique of the Carrom seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.